Feeling dizzy after pregnancy? Let's talk hormones, core and balance. Hi, I'm Navdeep Kaur from Emerald Hills Physio in Sherwood Park. If you have ever stood up too fast and felt lightheaded or found yourself feeling dizzy, off balance or foggy after giving birth, you are not alone. Let's talk about why postpartum dizziness happens and how physiotherapy can help bring your body and your balance back. Why are you feeling dizzy? After pregnancy, your body goes through a ton of change. Hormones shift, blood volume drops, your posture is completely different. You may be tired, dehydrated, or low on iron. But here's something most people don't talk about. Your core and pelvic floor play a huge role in your balance and coordination. If they are weak or uncoordinated, it can leave you feeling unstable, especially when moving quickly. Common causes we see at the clinic. These are just some of the reasons new moms report dizziness or imbalance: shallow breathing and poor oxygen intake, low blood pressure or anemia, fatigue from poor posture, core muscle deactivation, inner ear imbalances. Physio helps by identifying the mechanical and neurological components and guiding you through a gentle rehab plan. Try this breathing and balance. Let's do a simple reset. It improves blood flow, posture, and oxygen delivery. Diaphragmatic breathing with head positioning. Sit tall, feet flat. Gently tuck your chin back, not down. Inhale through your nose, letting your ribs expand. Exhale through your mouth, gently drawing in your core. Do 5 deep breaths slowly with focus. This calms your nervous system and improves circulation. How Physio at Emerald Hills helps. When you visit Emerald Hills Physio, we assess breathing patterns, postural alignment, core and pelvic floor strength, balance and gait stability, hydration, and lifestyle factors. Then we create a gentle recovery program that helps reduce symptoms and rebuild energy. Don't dismiss the dizziness. Don't brush it off. Dizziness is your body's way of asking for help. Let's figure it out together. Book your postpartum balance and recovery session with me at Emerald Hills Physio in Sherwood Park and feel grounded again. Is dizziness after birth normal? It's common, but not something you should ignore. It's often treatable with the right care. Could this be related to my iron levels? Yes, low iron is a very real factor. We always consider medical history and collaborate with your doctor if needed. I feel dizzy when feeding or carrying my baby. Why? It could be posture, shallow breathing, or nerve tension. We assess these patterns and teach you safer positions. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more expert guidance on postpartum recovery. And remember, taking care of you is the first step in taking care of baby.